Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna talk about how to do this wall and floor concrete, or you can see this picture. Okay, so very simple. First we go for custom ceiling. Okay, double click on the floor. You see this one become the layer. After that you can click on here or this one. Okay, click on section edit, just drag this one now or cornice line over this line here, then you will see this one, you move it, okay, move it like that, then you will see something like this. Okay, so after that just drag the color you want, or this one will concrete, right? So we just do concrete color. Okay, according to the picture or concrete, so we'll do a concrete color by using this one, the material no, ceramic. Here we have a lot concrete. Okay, we drag here. Okay, then continue, drag this one and drag this one here. So later when you render out, they will be same like this picture, the picture. Okay, will be same like the picture. Okay, then so this one, right, after render, let's say after render, this one like this angle, after render you will see something like this. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.